Ano ba ito? Pato ko. Meron dito. So, ito 24 na. Tapos ito 24. Much cheaper here. Much cheaper. Okay, let's buy these. When? Not sure if this should be small. I'll buy this. Tapos, ano na ito? I don't know. Black foam. Sesame. White sesame. Ito? Okay. Ito. Right. This one. Okay. Oh, chickpeas. This one. I miss this one. Because guys, may mga seasonals this pati mantika nila guys, so mas mura ganyan pala dito. Dito na lang kayo chili sauce. Mas chili sauce dalgona coffee too. As usual, tea. Tapos of course, yan. Bagong window. Yung mga tea. My favorite. Okay ka ba? Ayan. Nakuha mo na lahat. Kahit ganito pag gabi dito, pwedeng maglakad-lakad and it's safe, very safe. Because ayun yung city, dun may gardens. Ang dami nag-i-stroll guys pag gabi. Mag-jogging ka dito. Such a beautiful view. Such a beautiful place to walk and relax at night. That's just a bit. The amazing area from here. I'm going to walk until there. Time to exercise. Oh, really very nice. I love it. There's a plane. There's an airplane. Up here. Those waves of water is very relaxing. Oh gosh, up here. Yeah. You can rent those. Look at that. Yeah, you can jog around here too with a cool breeze. It's a wow. Love it. Okay, let's keep on walking. Kowloon Island na yan. That's it. Nice one. Wow, cool this one. Galing. And of course that. And of course the bar. And there. I don't know what's in there. Oh, the guest house. Yeah. You can find it. This is a school. Sit and relax in here. And this is a guest house. You can rent overnight and do the barbecue over there. Cookman School. That's it. Okay, let's go and walk. Walk. Exercise. Good. Para maganda ang body natin, guys. Na night stroll ito, guys. I feel safe really here, very safe. If I'm in the Philippines, then I can't walk like this alone in the middle of nowhere and at night. Ang ganda ng gate nila. Parang nasa Manila, no? Kasi eskinita dito. Ang ganda naman ito. House. Wow, that's a ferry. Those are the fishing boats. The fishing boats at night. It's a lot. Some of the Tika. Yan kagandahan. Maraming benches dito. Pwede kang umupo kapag gabi. This is the newly installed bench here. Install nila pag gabi. Then you can just sit and relax in here while walking. Some restaurant is still open until 12, but some already closed. Yeah. Bike is mostly using here. O pwede ka mag-date. Pero ako nag-stroll muna ako kasi nga I started to do the exercise, mild exercise first. Oh, may maliit na ambulance. Yeah, ambulance na ito, guys. Ayan. Okay, let's walking muna. Diba? Doon ako galing from there. That's the view. Ganda talaga mag-stroll ng gabi, guys. Kasi hindi siya, wala ng araw, so that's fine. It's a big ferry. One is coming and one will leave soon. Open pa rin ang Morocco. Nag-close na to Morocco restaurant, our favorite restaurant. It's an Indian ito naman. Okay. Tara, let's see. Basta. Yeah, it's Morocco. Cool. Mochi, my favorite mochi. And one another. It's a French restaurant naman. Oh, they open until 12. Yeah, French restaurant from here. Yeah, and of course the welcome would be until 24 hours. Welcome to. That's the big ferry. Big ferry again. That's the pier. And that's the welcome. Wow. Big ferry.